Growing an email list doesn't mean posting nonstop on social media. You can build it steadily without the daily grind. A great way to do this is by creating one evergreen lead magnet, something people can download anytime, and sharing it across different platforms without needing constant updates. A lot of beginners burn out trying to post every single day, thinking that's the only way to grow their list. But you don't need to play the algorithm game. Instead, put your energy into one solid lead magnet, like a PDF guide or checklist that solves a real problem for your audience. Once it's ready, share it in multiple places: Pinterest, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, even niche forums. Because it's evergreen, people can sign up at any time and your email list grows in the background. That way, you are building consistently without having to live on social media. If you want to go even faster, the AI Faceless List Builder includes a 30-day faceless content calendar and ready-made AI prompts that generate ideas automatically so you never have to worry about daily posting. For less than $20, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you the tools to create a faceless email list, automate content ideas, and grow your audience without posting every day. Check the link in the description to get started.